From capturing the perfect images to collecting necessary documents, discover everything about how to make a deal on Panerai watches established in 1860. Panerai has grown to be a substantial force in the horological world, fusing incredible innovation with style and precision. Panerai have influenced the course of watchmaking significantly, popularizing watch loom through their patent for radio mirror in 1916. Recently, they created the Panerai Submersible Elux Lab ID, PAM 1800, which was launched in June 2024. The caliber in this model has a guaranteed run of 50 years before needing to be serviced. This goes to show the technical prowess, innovation, and skill involved in every aspect of their production process. If now is the time to make a deal to have a Panerai, you are in the right place. We can offer you a complete guide on what to do to help you achieve the best possible price. First, necessary documentation for Panerai watches. It is important that you have your papers handy when it comes to trying to buy or sell your Panerai watch. As is the case with most things, if you have proper certification, box, and corresponding papers, the value of the watch will most likely increase. It's important to remember that an official certificate of authenticity can only be released by Panerai. You can't buy one on the internet and claim your watch is good to go. It may be worth scanning through your cupboards and drawers for those precious service records, warranty papers, or sales receipts for some added value of those items. This will constitute evidence for any change that has happened to the watch, such as repairs, cleaning, or replacement of parts. Luckily, Panerai are pretty good for guarantees as they give you 24 months starting from the date of purchase against any defects. This is only on the proviso that the warranty card is signed by an authorized dealer. If you plan to sell it, put your Panerai in the best light possible. Panerai watches should be photographed with the same level of respect as anything else. You need to make your watch's beauty shine through the photo, but not too much as no one wants overkill on the glare. For example, the Luminor Du Luna Gold Tech is crafted out of Panerai's own combination of 18-karat gold. Combined with copper and platinum, the watch is revealed with a beautiful golden hue. It would be a shame if its aura was dimmed or made blurry, wouldn't you say? Still feel a little unsure about how to take photos? A quick Google search for a tutorial on how to take a photo competently should set you right. Find a well-lit spot that doesn't run the risk of the buyer being blinded, and you are good to go. This will certainly help you sell your Panerai swiftly. The popularity of Panerai watches. Since 1860, Panerai have worked tirelessly to create the Panerai community that is still strong today. First founded in 2000, the Panerai collector community appeared before Wikipedia and expanded to being one of the largest watch enthusiast forums around. However, it's not just the common man that's so keen about these models. Celebrities are often looked upon as the leaders of culture and fashion. For them to adorn a Panerai is enough evidence of the popularity Panerai has garnered. From the Terminator himself, Arnold Schwarzenegger, to former WWE star and now actor Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Panerai's clientele is as established as its history. Arnold Schwarzenegger has previously sported the Panerai radio mirror L'Egiziano. From the iconic radio mirror collection, the collection introduced illumination in 1916, which was Panerai's first official patent. The Egiziano follows suit and is a limited edition version of the radio mirror collection. At 60 millimeters, it's perfect for a man with wrists the size of tree trunks. In order to buy a Panerai Egiziano, you must contact a concierge via their website at the time of writing. Speaking of obscenely large wrists, Dwayne Johnson has also worn many Panerai models, including the Panerai Luminor 1950 GMT, Panerai Luminor Submersible, and the sizable Panerai Radio Mirror 1940 10 Days GMT Automatic ORO Rosso. You'll need to have oversized wrists if you want to buy a Panerai like this. Measuring 45 millimeters, it certainly suits the bulkier gentleman and is extremely rare, with only 150 pieces released. For the sleeker man, like example actor Orlando Bloom, the Panerai Luminor Marina 8 Days Oro Rosso is a fine alternative. Measuring 44 millimeters in diameter, it offers 300 meters water resistance and a fantastic 8-day power reserve. Do Panerai watches hold their value? Panerai are notorious for holding their value. This is primarily due to the brand excelling in innovation, and their client base is indicative of this. The model is also a significant factor when it comes to the value of your watch. The old rule follows that if a model is rare or scarce, its value has a higher chance of growing after purchase. For example, Panerai hit a double whammy when they released the Panerai Slytech watch. Worn by Sylvester Stallone in the 1997 movie Daylight, only 95 pieces were released, meaning that the model is both rare and has a celeb allure, making it sought after. This is a recipe for a boom in value due to the watch now being extremely exclusive. While I can't promise you will look like Rambo with muscles to boot, I can promise you that the value will have drastically increased when you go to sell your Panerai Slytech. Panerai doesn't need to just rely on celebrities to increase their model's value. For example, in 2002, Panerai released the limited edition Panerai Luminor Marina Militare left hand, which capped at 1,000 models produced. With the crown on the left-hand side and the inscription of Marina Militare on the dial, it harks to the Italian divers in World War II. An incredible slice of history no doubt warrants a significant price tag, especially due to its limited number and unorthodox left-hand design. It would appear that the Luminor takes the horological prize for most popular Panerai model. For you watch fiends who are lucky enough to own one, now may be probably the right time to sell your Panerai Luminor. This goes to show that you don't need to be downtrodden when you sell your Panerai. It has every chance of retaining and in some cases increasing in value past its retail price. What are the best platforms to sell my Panerai watch? There are a number of routes you could take when you want to buy or sell your Panerai watch. While it's nice having so many options, it can easily become overwhelming when you are just trying to sell your Panerai. You could try consigning with an auction house. The only issue is that if your watch is not in high demand, you may not get the price you were hoping for, nor the interest. Another alternative is to use online platforms which you can access from the comfort of your phone or laptop. There are many sites out there which you can buy or sell your watch with. Several dedicated apps such as Chrono24, Grailsy, also you can do it with Reddit or eBay. One that's probably familiar to 99% of the population is eBay. eBay is fantastic for the majority of things buying and selling wise. However, it does have its pitfalls. You could encounter a problem buyer who could waste your precious time haggling but never buying, or you could end up sending the watch and receiving no payment. This is also very important to be concerned about. Which Panerai watches can you buy and sell? Via dedicated app, you will be dealing with clients who are interested in every type of Panerai watch, from the legendary Luminor to the dive-inspired submersible. 1. Panerai Luminor. The Luminor range from Panerai could be considered their most iconic line. It has a number of highly distinguishable characteristics, such as a large crown protector and a cushion-shaped case, which gives these watches added durability and pristine reliability. Ranging from 38mm to 47mm case diameters, which cover each Luminor line, such as Marina, Dew, or Base, the watches are available in a number of materials such as steel, titanium, or bronze. Plunging to depths of 300 meters, the impressive water resistance on these watches also have a number of calibers. These include the in-house P9000 and P9100 that have solid rock power reserves. 2. Panerai Radiomir. The Radiomir from Panerai is a nod to the original 1930s prototypes from the brand. The dials are kept highly minimalist, while the lugs are quite slender. The watch's purpose of being supplied to the Italian Navy is retained magnificently in the rugged and vintage style of the design codes. The Radiomir's legacy ties in with the Frogmen Commandos, who worked in covert operations. Therefore, the watches needed to be luminescent, which resulted in them using radium-based luminescent paint, used to ensure visibility underwater. And this was long before the Rolex Deep Sea Challenge. 3. Panerai Luminor Marina. The Luminor Marina developed from the legendary Luminor to offer a sportier and more durable variant. The signature case shape and secure crown protector is retained, but there are more modern features such as exhibition casebacks, which makes the Marina so elegant and refined. The models benefit from a number of complications, such as chronographs, time-only references, and yacht timers for those more suited to the sea. Scarce models like the Luminor Marina 1950 Carbotech are excellent watches due to their colossal 8-day power reserve and highly modernized carbon case. 4. Panerai Luminor Regatta. The Luminor Regatta is specialized for those who are interested in setting sail in their gorgeous schooner. Featuring a distinctive regatta countdown function which can be altered via the watch's crown, this allows racers to count down the starting time to a yacht race. How fancy! One model that has received plenty of acclaim from the public is the tenacious Oracle Team USA model. Fitted into a high-powered 44mm steel case, the watches are a physical ode to the triumphant international team through engraved nautical references. Naturally, it's fitted with the sublime regatta chronograph complication, which ensures you start right on time. The Luminor Regatta is one of the brand's rarer lines due to the low production rates in comparison with the submersible or radio mirror. 5. Panerai Submersible. The submersible line is specifically made for those committed to the diving world. The submersible capably offers a stonking 1,000 meters of water resistance, which is an impressive feat among seafaring gentlemen. The watches follow the naval instrument legacy of the brand and carry these codes into the submersible line. Fitted with a sandwich dial to ensure water resistance and given a highly luminescent dial, this beauty is the perfect conversation starter. Panerai includes extremely modern materials such as ceramic and titanium cases alongside carbon, which delivers a lightweight experience for the wearer alongside premium levels of durability. The submersible models perfectly blend the rugged aesthetics of the classic pieces with modern materials and regular updates. As one of the best dive watch lines in the horological world, the submersible has quickly developed into an in-demand line for ravenous horophiles who appreciate the best luxury watchmakers. 6. Panerai Quaranta. The design of the Quaranta is characterized by its bold and distinctive aesthetic. The iconic cushion-shaped case, oversized numerals, and luminous hands pay homage to Panerai's military roots, while the use of high-quality materials such as stainless steel or titanium adds a touch of contemporary luxury. Released in 2020, the fresh-faced line opts for 40mm cases, which directly opposes the oversized design Panerai is renowned for. Furthermore, the Panerai Quaranta offers a range of functionalities tailored to the needs of modern adventurers. From water resistance to impressive power reserves, each timepiece is built to withstand the rigors of everyday wear and more. Beyond its technical prowess, the Quaranta is a symbol of absolute style and sophistication. Whether paired with a casual ensemble or a formal suit, this timepiece effortlessly elevates any look, making a statement of understated luxury and refinement. A few classic design elements remain, including the iconic crown guards. Capable of reaching a 5-day power reserve and a substantial water resistance as guaranteed by the sandwich dial, the watches have elements of luxury, such as a polished steel finish, as well as a diamond-set bezel. The heritage of the brand is retained but updated with contemporary aesthetics and features. This fairly new line has the potential to become Panerai's most attractive collection, especially since durability is retained, but refreshed with a smaller case that's more accessible. If you find this channel can give you more courage to do actions about buying, selling, or trading authentic luxury watches, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment, share, and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned to our channel for more exciting and informative contents.